Hi everyone, my name is Catherine Hurley, and today I'm going to talk to you about consumer recycling for my individual research proposal topic. So what is recycling? Recycling is the process of collecting and processing materials that would otherwise be thrown away as trash and turning them into new products. The market is currently making a huge shift towards sustainability and especially recycling, as millennials are moving into the primary purchasing power of the market, and they are the ones making the push for these new materials. Companies like Patagonia and Adidas are striving to meet this market demand by making products entirely out of recycled content, but they struggle to get enough materials from the recycling centers to keep up the trend to meet their sustainability goals. On top of it being difficult for companies to get recycled materials from a recycling centers are also closing because they're not getting enough products from the consumers to constitute them staying open. According to the Associated Press, 1/5 of the recycling centers in California closed in the year 2015. It's estimated that roughly 3 million California residents were inconvenienced by the closures, but California is also responsible for 2 out of 11 beverage containers recycled in the country. More recycling facilities are expected to close in California, and the decline in recycling facilities is expected to have a severe impact on the industry's available materials. So what's the problem? Consumers just aren't recycling despite their own large push for sustainability. What the industry is doing right now to promote recycling is not working. Current packaging attempts at incentivizing consumers to recycle are printing instructions on boxes, making it really obvious that your container is recyclable. They're giving monetary benefits. I've even seen a machine where you can go in, put your bottle in, and it'll spit out a nickel for you, or you can put in a can and it'll spit out 10 cents. Or it'll even put you in like a drawing for movie tickets or other fun gambling activities. So, my topic will center around what initiatives are currently in place that will appeal the most to consumers and how we can improve them to incentivize more people to recycle. The results will help drive the industry toward a trend that consumers may find more appealing to recycle and will help identify if there is a change the consumers are looking for in packaging. The results, once implemented and applied in the industry, are expected to have a positive impact on the industry by increasing the amount of recycled content, thereby opening recycling centers and allowing companies to set obtainable sustainability goals by allowing them the option to use post-recycled content and save money. The methods conducted in this project can also be implemented internationally to identify demographic differences necessary to accommodate recycling across the globe. The results are also expected to help reduce waste across the country. With more consumers recycling, less of it will end up in the trash. I will be focusing on how the consumers react to certain recycling initiatives put in place by the industry, with the results focusing on how the industry can either shift toward that trend or how the industry can improve a current trend. My primary source of research will come from a survey closer to the end of the semester after extensive research has been held on packaging incentives. In addition to the survey, I will be going through stores as I travel and observing what kind of recycling incentives I can find in different areas of the state in the following weeks. To research and gather preliminary background information on what other incentives are in place, facts on how recycling impacts the industry, and more, I will be going through resources like the Library EBSCO database and trusted peer-reviewed articles written by people in the packaging industry. My main research questions are: what approaches would consumers most likely approve if they were to recycle, what the industry is currently doing to incentivize recycling, and what do consumers want in a package design that will incentivize them to recycle. So why would you want to join my team? Well, it's a fun and engaging topic that's very relevant to the industry and will help you understand what to look for when designing a package in the future for the most consumer engagement in recycling. It's a well thought out project and a research plan is already being made. It will provide you with a more comprehensive insight to how recycling impacts the industry rather than just hearing small tidbits from your colleagues. And the best part, it's a Professor Spartz approved topic. The top 5 resources for this topic that I have picked are Explore Research, which is a great website that has numerous case studies and articles about graphics on packages and how to communicate with your consumer more effectively. Packaging Europe is a good resource to use while looking for trends in other parts of the globe to compare different sustainability solutions. Packaging Gateway is also a valuable resource as it provides numerous articles from across the globe on specific examples of recycling and how it is being impacted and what it impacts in the industry for both positive and negative. Science Direct has a lot of articles related to sustainability and packaging, as well as analyzing the impact of sustainability on the industry. And the Sustainable Packaging Coalition has a large selection of articles surrounding sustainable packaging and what the industry is currently trying to do, including articles about the advancements of using recycled materials and multi-material flexible packaging. So thank you for joining me today, and I hope to hear from you all soon.